So, right now we are marching in to our base at North Garrison. It's on the northern road of the boundary. I just stepped. We got Bozo taking point here. We got this kid. Why are you holding two guns? Oh yeah, because he's got the saw. All right. So that's what's happening. Got the flag. We're on green team. This is pallet fort ahead of us. We don't get this one.
No one gets this one.
I'm about to sprain my ankle in these holes.
It's not possible for users. I think they're usually a bit deeper.
See, this is what I need a body cam for.
Or just get to go around.
I can't wait to use pallet fort. But we don't get to use it today because it's going to be super hot out.
See all these boards?
Yeah, I see all the boards.
Yeah. I gotta wash my head.
Looks like plenty of cover. Here, lower the flag.
Lower the flag. Raise the flag.
I just made my helmet almost come off.
I can see hair.
Here, take this. It's so hot outside. It's so hot out.
It's not at us.
Off that way. Alright.
Get down.
Guns pointed right. Front two, guns pointed forward. Watch the mud. Stay alert, stay alert. We're all go, fire.
I see him, I see him. Vince! He's out of range. We should send an ambush for him. Agree? No, we should stop him from getting it. If we kill him out here.
Let's go, look this way.
Nice, nice. Where? Where are they? Hey, hey.
Down there, moving that way.
This mag came with it works better, you know? Yeah. Besides, it's a high cap, right?
Yeah.
Just keep winding. When you do have to reload, let us know. Have your pistol on ready. Okay. So whose team are you on anyway?
shot. That would have hit me right before.
We got targets. Targets, get down. That one's not. I don't remember anyone in the white shirt. Friendly. You're lucky. I just got one from behind us too.
Let's go. I got a bayonet kill. Yeah. Yeah, mine was a bayonet stealth kill.
What was that?
Over here, that one bear.
One day?
Yeah.
That bear?
Yeah. Unless just something fell. There's a ton dead. There's a ton of dead. Did we lose? Prepare to charge. Oh, they're in. Nope, that's not allied. They've got blue. I really hope this is still recording. Negative. North Garrison, I'm all that there is. They have successfully taken and are holding Omar. I need reinforcements now.
We got LA straight coming.
I'm hiding near the blue car. Please do not friendly fire. I have a confirmed 1 kill. I'm not in Omar. I'm outside of it taking fire. What was that? Yeah, I'm gonna need all that you can give. All right.
You want to make a push for the smoke?
Affirmative or negative, Alex? Do you have smokes?
Negative. We got smoke.
Andrew has smokes. Cover Andrew while he moves up. He'll pop a smoke and we'll push in. I've got a frag grenade. Don't know how to use it, so I'll give it to whoever. Yeah, we're gonna use cover fire.
Put cover fire on the floor.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready?
Andrew, get ready to move. Fire!